can digest, even the worms can digest. So they have growth, reaction to stimuli, and reproduction. So life can reproduce. 2A, the sequence of physical and mental experiences that make up the existence of an individual. Example, children. Children are life. They are the joy of our lives. Yeah? Sabi po yan ni Agnes S. Turnbull. One or more aspects of the process of living is sex life of the frog. It can also be used in the term of bibliography, the life of George Washington. Life. Number 4, spiritual existence transcending. It can be a spiritual life. 5, the period from birth to death. So the one that I showed you earlier. From your birth to your death. To death, to expire. The period from birth to death, a specific phase of earthly existence, your adult life, your childhood life, your old life. The period from an event until death, a judge appointed for life. A sentence of imprisonment can be defined even in the courtroom if the judge will sentence you to life imprisonment. Maybe you've done something wrong, or maybe you did a very cruel thing. A way of manner of living the life of the colonist. Livelihood, it can be defined as livelihood. The fishing village drew its life from the sea. What is my livelihood here? I draw. I use my hand, that is my livelihood. Maybe some of you it's not your livelihood. Maybe some of you, your mathematics is your livelihood. Maybe you're an accountant. Maybe you use your hands to work, and that's your livelihood. A lot of us, we have different lives. We have different lives. Number 8, a vital or living being, specifically person. Many lives were lost. We can also define it during calamities, lives being lost. An animating or shaping force or principle, the life of constitution, can even be defined in government. Spirit animation, Sona life in her dancing. Even in animation, even in dancing, you can see that there's no life. Boring. There's no life. The form or pattern of something existing in reality, painted from life. Number 12, the period of duration, usefulness, or popularity of something, the expected life of batteries. Even batteries have life. Once you purchase the batteries, use them, you can use them for a week, and after that, dead. Number 13, the period of existence as of a subatomic particle. Even the smallest particle have life. 14, a property. Can be defined in property. 15, living beings, or a forest life. 16, human activities. Movement of life, or the life of the country, or the life of the city where we're living. It's life. 17, one providing interest and vigor, or the life of the party. Sometimes, you are the life of the party. If you are not there, nobody will laugh, nobody will cry, nobody will... Some people are like that. They're the life of the party. They're the life of this... Like my son earlier. I was so blessed to see him play the drums.
Amen. Amen.
I never thought that he will be playing. Number 18, opportunity for continued viability gave the patient a new life. It can be defined in medical terms. It can be, I don't like this one, Christian Science. And number 20, something resembling animate life, a grant save the product's life. So, I would like to ask you a question. What is life according to you? Honestly, I could not ask everyone because we will not have enough time. And I'm sure everybody here has a very difficult life before. Or maybe you have a good life now, but you have a very difficult life years back. Or maybe you're having a very difficult life now. somebody has a love life. Somebody here has a love life. You're a boyfriend, you have a girlfriend, or you have a love life, or you have a married life. I have a married life. And I'm blessed to have a very faithful wife, a very loving wife. And she never ceases to take care of us. I'm very blessed. Even though she's not here, I would like her to know, because I'm on video. And maybe there's a surprise coming up. So, what is life according to you? I will let you answer that question within your own selves. Now, my introduction. What is life according to John? First and foremost, I would like to establish who John is. Is this person trustworthy? Should we believe in what this guy is saying? First and foremost, before we started, we prayed to Jesus, to God, that this book in 2 Timothy 3 verses 15 and 16 is God breathed. So it means that John, he was God breathed when he was writing his epistles. 1 John, 2 John, 3 John, Revelation, and the book of John. What is life according to Pastor John? Who is John? You can see him in the verses below. You can look that up. What I can give you information is that John, together with his brother, they were called the sons of thunder. It means that they were very boastful. They were so vigorous in their belief. And God saw that. That's why God called them the sons of thunder, because they were so confident of what they believed, so confident that Jesus Christ is with them. And John, together with his mother, even asked if they could be seated at the right hand and left side of Jesus Christ. So these people are John, while still being an apostle or a disciple of God. He had ambitions. But God changed the life of this man, and he was later called John the Beloved. And we will know more regarding what John did. So John, while writing these epistles, he is called an apostle of absolutes. What we mean by absolute is that this is it. There's nothing wrong in what he will say, and there is no other thing or no other meaning or no other what do you say? How do you call this? Wala nang, let me say in Tagalog, because I'm so bleeding now in my nose. He is so absolute. Saktong-sakto, tamang-tama ang sinasabi niya. It's either black or white. It's either heaven or hell. It's either good or bad. It's either holy and unholy, or it's either heaven or hell. That is what John is. He has a very stark contrast in life. He will not play around with words just to get your attention or to get your... He will say to you directly that this is life and this is death. This is life and this is death. This is good and this is bad.